So let's talk about layout priority in SwiftUI. How today I'm going to discuss about layout priority in SwiftUI, and it is a higher priority and lower priority in this text. We're going to apply this text properties. So in this SwiftUI layout priority modifier, let us request that certain views should be given more text, and the screen when space is limited and all views have a layout priority 0 by default 0. But if you are finding one particular view is sequenced, you can ask it to be given higher priority layout. So we're gonna create on this SwiftUI command, and which have a SwiftUI, we're gonna consider on this example which have a SwiftUI. This is a layout priority example, which have layout priority example, and we're gonna create on this wish tag, and we're gonna create on this text. So this is we're gonna apply on the first text is I want to subscribe my channel. And we're gonna apply on this index text. We're gonna apply on this property. Suppose this is a headlines and gray. We're gonna apply on the headlines, and we're gonna apply on this border. We're gonna apply the border modifier on a text. Border modifier on a text. So dot gray color which have border, and we can to width on this. We're gonna resume on this application, and we're gonna apply on this padding. In this text, we're gonna create on this next text. In this text, we're gonna create on this text. In this text, this is a my channel name is Risala Sadi. Okay, and we're gonna apply on this property. So this is the H stack. Bind on this H stack, not apply on this V stack. Okay, and we're gonna apply on this property. In this property, this is a title, and we're gonna apply on this title, and we're gonna apply on this border dot gray, and we're gonna apply on this width. Suppose it's not 2. Okay, we're gonna apply this border, and we're gonna apply layout priority gesture dot layout priority value. We're gonna assign this value. Suppose this is a 1, and in this we're gonna assign on this value 1, and we're gonna check on this preview. So this is I want to subscribe my channel, like my videos. My channel is Sadiq. Suppose we're gonna apply priority in this 0. So in this H tag bind, but it's not removable in this tag. And we're gonna priority is 1. Suppose this is a layout priority is 1. So we can I want to this is my channel is priority is 1. So I want to subscribe my channel and like my video in this fill on this priority. Suppose this is in priority is 0 and priority is 0. We're gonna change on this priority.